Hello, welcome back again to this channel. This is your auto and travel channel. If you're new to this channel, check out other videos and you'll see what this channel is about. And today in this video, it's gonna be a very short video. We're talking about the paint in these Chevy vehicles. The peeling paint is a big issue. I know most people know this. If you check other videos, we talk about this peeling paint and why this is an issue. Check it out and listen to this video carefully so you can fix some of these problems. Okay, so these are major issue in these vehicles. You can see it even here all over the place. These vehicles, they peel paint like this. People try to address Chevy, but Chevy never responded about this issue here with these vehicles. It's a major issue. If you have a Chevy vehicle, Chevy van, Chevy Express, GM vehicle, you know this is an issue. But I'm gonna tell you something about what you can do. It's a beautiful day today, and we're checking that issue here about why do these Chevy vehicles always rusting like this? I'll tell you one trick. Okay, what you can do with this vehicle, you can stock up with some spray paint. Stock up. You're gonna need to stock up because the reason why you have to stock up with all this paint is because you never know when it's gonna peel. When the paint will peel, it peels anytime. So you have to stock up, be ready for it. And I'll show you a little trick around it. So get this tape here. You see this tape here? Scotch blue paint is here. This is the paint. Scotch blue is the tape. So what you do, you go around the vehicle and put this tape around that area that the paint has peeled on your vehicle. Put this tape. I'll do an example real quick and I'll show you. You put the tape around it, then you come with this spray here. Get one of these. You can, it's your choice. It's Rust-Oleum sprays. Okay, get a Rust-Oleum spray can. Once you put the tape around the area, you clean that area. Clean it real good until it's dry. When it's dry, attack it with one of these sprays. Okay. And I'm telling you, it works. It looks like a joke, but it works. So you can get some. Be careful because you can read some of these bonds. Some of these are plastic. They're all Rust-Oleum, but some of these some are metal and all that. But the key is Rust-Oleum. Look at Rust-Oleum. And you will clean this up. For those in the US or whatever in the West, you can get it at Walmart and all that. But we can go there and we can go there and try it. You see, it's windy. It's a very windy day today, but it's okay. We don't care because life goes on no matter if it's cold or wet. Okay, so don't even care about what's going on. Just worry about how the job gets done. The job has to be done. Okay, so let's go there real quick and put this tape here. It's called they are not, these people are not paying me to do this, but it's called Scotch Blue, Scotch blue. Okay. So I'll show you how you do it. Let's go. So this is what you do it, huh? You do this around it, around the whole area. The whole area you want to attack, like this. So once you put it around it, you come with a spray and spray it. Okay. So this is how we do it. So what I'm trying to say is that this problem here has been going on for a very long time. For a very long time. And I'm telling you, like you know in life, the longer you live, the more problems you see. Okay? Nothing comes easy. Even when you check what you are doing here, everything is a mess. But we're saying when you have these things here, you have a weapon in your hands to fix things. Okay? And you always know I have a solution for this problem. It's just about the time, making the time to do it. Okay? Make the time to do it. I know it's overwhelming because there's so many peeling spots in the vehicle. You know what I mean? So do it. You see what we're doing here? You see how windy it is? It's very windy here. You see, look. If you wait for a good day for something to happen, the good day will never come. Understand? The good day will never come. So do it now. Get up now and do it. The good day will never come. You see, we have a lot of things going on here, but we took some time here to make this video about keeping your vehicle in a good condition. Okay? Keep your vehicle in a good condition. Attack that Chevrolet vehicles. The paint was not done right in all the vehicles. So do it now, fix it now. I showed you the trick. Go to, if you are near Walmart, go to the paint section and get Rust-Oleum paint. You see white, you see all colors. There's some for rust. You can see them here. I can show you real quick. This is high gloss. This one is gloss clear. This one seals and protects. I'll show you them here, right here. See them here. Okay? Just go and do that and your life will change, your vehicle will change. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. If you have any comment, answer them in the comment section. Welcome to this channel, and always visit this channel because we show you tricks and ideas that most people don't tell you. Okay, be blessed. Bye. Have a nice day.